arithmetic, geometric and harmonic progression we were discussing. And if you see here, all these are called as series. So arithmetic progression is a series, geometric progression is a series, harmonic progression is a series. This is the basic how the series will look like. First term is taken as A, second term will be A plus D, D is the common difference, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, like that, A plus n minus 1 into D. A plus, here A is missing, A plus n minus 1 into D is the nth term. So this is about the arithmetic progression. Coming to geometric progression, it is AR square, AR cube, like that, A into R power n minus 1 is the nth term. In geometric progression, this is the nth term. In arithmetic progression, one A should be there. So I will just write it. A is missing over here. A plus n minus 1 into D. This full is nth term in arithmetic progression. This is the geometric progression. So nth term is A into R power n minus 1. A is the first term, R is the common ratio, and n is the number of terms in the progression. N is the number of terms in the progression, both in AP as well as geometric progression. Coming to harmonic progression, it is an inverse. It is the reciprocal of arithmetic progression. So HP, harmonic progression, it will be like this: 1 by A plus D, then 1 by A plus 2D. So all the denominators, if you take, that will be AP, arithmetic progression. That is called harmonic. Denominators in arithmetic progression. So those reciprocal representations is called harmonic progression. This is the nth term, 1 by A plus n minus 1 into D. So yesterday we have seen a few problems. Now I'm going to the next question. Find the next term in the series. Find the next term in the series. Okay. I think. So if you are getting in the chat box, if you are getting answer, kindly post in the chat box. There's a new person again. So fine, at least from next day onwards, you have to join with the official email ID, please, because immediately people will not be knowing. If I simply deny, it will be also creating some bad feeling for them. Okay, it's not about any complaining or not. So they will feel bad because immediately, without knowing if deny is there, they will not understand what is going on. Find the next term in the series. If you are getting answer, kindly post in the chat box. If you are getting answer, kindly post in the chat box. You try, because in the previous class we discussed 6, 7, 9, 13. These are the terms. 6, 7, 9, 13. These are the terms. So if you see here, plus 1 is added, and from here plus 2 is added, and here it is plus 4 is added. Okay, plus 4. This is plus 1. This is plus 2. What is the next term? You observe what is going on here. So from first to second term, it is 1 added. From second to third term, it is 2 added. And third to fourth, it is 4 added. Okay, it is just multiplication going on. It is just multiplication going on. If you see here, this 2 is nothing but the previous value into 2. 4 is nothing but previous value into 2. Okay, so now for the next factor, what you have to add is, the previous addition is 4. So 4 into 2 you have to add. The previous addition was 4. So 4 into 2, you have to add a value 8. So 13 plus 8 equal to 21 is the final answer. 21 is the final answer. Next term in the series is 21. This is called mixed progression. It is not proper arithmetic, proper geometric, or proper harmonic progression over here. This is a mixed progression. Okay. So series means it may be arithmetic progression, it may be geometric progression, harmonic progression, or the last one is mixed progression. Okay, all these are called series. So here in this problem, it is a mixed progression. In this problem, it is a mixed progression. Okay. So if you are getting answer, kindly keep posting in the chat box. I'm going to the next problem. I'm going to the next problem. I wanted to admit, but sorry. Find the fifth term of the geometric progression. It is already mentioned. It is already mentioned. Geometric progression. So find the answer. Find the answer. Find the fifth term of the geometric progression. Find the fifth term of the geometric progression. Find the fifth term. It is already mentioned geometric progression. So how to proceed with this? The first one we will take it as T1. Second term we will take it as T2. Third term we will take as T3. Okay. In geometric progression, the first term is A. First term is represented by A. So 1 by 7, I am taking it as A. And the ratio is nothing but second term divided by first term. It is given in the question itself, geometric progression. So I am going with the basic formula. So it is 1 by 14 divided by 1 by 7. So 1 by 2 is the ratio. 1 by 2 is the ratio. They are asking about fifth term. So the general formula is A into R power n minus 1. In the place of n, if you put the 5, it is A into R power 4. Okay, 5 minus 1, which is 4. So A is 1 by 7 and R is 1 by 2 power 4, which is the correct answer. You kindly check it. 1 by 7, 1 by 16, and here it is 7 6 are 42, 11. So 1 by 112 is the correct answer. 1 by 112 is the correct answer. So if you are getting the answer, kindly post in the chat box. Kindly post in the chat box. Find the geometric mean between 4 by 9 and 169 by 9. 4 by 9 and 169 by 9. Okay. So I already gave the formula for geometric mean. Two numbers are there, A and B. The geometric mean formula is square root of AB. Square root of AB. Kindly operate. Kindly operate. What is the answer? If you are getting answer, post in the chat box. If you are getting answer, post in the chat box. So two numbers are there. If you see here, geometric progression, already some formulas we discussed at the end of GP. Here I have written geometric mean is square root of AB for two numbers if you are finding geometric mean. Two numbers if you are finding geometric mean. Okay. And we will take the first number as A, second number as B. This is A, this is B. Geometric mean formula is square root of AB. And we have the value of A 4 by 9, value of B is 169 by 9. Okay. So if you simplify, what happens? If you simplify any possible simplification, numerator what I can do, square root of 4 is 2, square root of 9 is 3. In the second fraction, 13 into 13 is 169. So square root of 169 is 13. Square root of 9 is 3. Okay. And now it is 26 divided by 9. And our answer is option B. Our answer is option. Fourth term and eighth term of harmonic progression. Fourth term, eighth term, harmonic progression. So the general representation of harmonic progression, general representation is 1 by A, 1 by A plus D, then 1 by A plus 2D, 1 by A plus 3D, and so on, like this. Okay. This is the harmonic progression. Now, if you see the third term, this is third term. This is first term, second term, third term, fourth term. So similarly, if you start writing, so fourth term is already written. The form is A plus 3D. 3D means n minus 1 into D. A plus n minus 1 into D will be in the denominator. Okay. So now what is the value? Now coming to the eighth term, we will be very clear. It is 1 by A plus 7D. Okay, these two we have to find out. These two values we have to find out. And if you go with the general representation, what I will do, from the given details, what will be the arithmetic progression? What will be the arithmetic progression? So it is 1 by 6, 1 by 4, 1 by 3. Okay. Why I am doing like this? In order to find the first term and the common difference. First term and the common difference. A value, D value. In order to find A value, D value, I am taking up AP, and first term is represented by A, and the common difference D is nothing but second term minus first term, which is 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6. If you make LCM, if I take 24, it is 6 minus 4, which is 2 by 24, which is 1 by 12. 1 by 12 is the D value. 1 by 12 is the D value. Now you have A value, D value, substitute, simplify. So fourth term and eighth term can be calculated. 1 by, okay, A value is 1 by 6 and D value is 1 by 12. You just simplify, it becomes 1 by, if you take LCM 12 in the denominator, it is 2 plus 3, and if you invert it, it is 12 by 5. This is the fourth term in harmonic progression. Fourth term in harmonic progression. And coming to the eighth term, 1 by 6 is the A value, 7 into D value 1 by 12. You make LCM in the denominator as 12. It becomes 2 plus 7. And if you invert, it becomes 12 by 9. If simplification possible, we can do it. It is 4 by 3. In harmonic progression, this is the eighth term. Harmonic progression, this is the eighth term. Okay.